Hello students, this is Yogita Parmar and this is the lecture number 2, and today we are going to cover the topic photosynthesis in plants. As in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the photosynthesis, that what exactly the photosynthesis definition is, that is the green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. But how and where exactly? Okay, so through a diagrammatic presentation, I will tell you that in plants where the photosynthesis site actually is. Okay, so suppose this is the leaf. Okay, this is the leaf. If we cut the leaf, TS of leaf. Now what is this TS of leaf? The TS of leaf is transverse section. Transverse section. Transverse section means if we cut something like longitudinal like this. Okay, this is known as TS, and if we cut something like this is the longitudinal or LS. Okay, LS section is this and TS section is this. Okay, if we cut the leaf in the transverse section, okay, what we'll find that the leaf looks like this structure. Okay, there is the upper layer. There is an upper layer. This is known as cuticle. Okay, what it is known as? This is the cuticle, and below cuticle, cuticle is actually the waxy coating. Waxy coating means if we put droplets of water on surface of leaf, what happen? The drop get floats. Okay, because of this waxy coating, which is known as cuticle. Beneath it, there is a layer known as epidermis. Okay, this is the layer known as epidermis. Now, what is this epidermis is? Look, epidermis. Actually, the epi means what? Outer, and dermis means skin, means outer skin. So this is the layer known as upper epidermis. What is the role of this epidermis? It protects the leaf. Okay, and below this epidermis, there is a longitudinal cell like this, which are known as palisade cells. What it is known as? Palisade cell. Now, this one is what? Cuticle. This one is what? Upper epidermis. And this one is known as palisade cell. Now, these palisade cells are green in color, okay, due to the presence of the pigment chlorophyll. Now, beneath this palisade cell, there is a vascular bundle which consists of two types of cells. The first one is the xylem, this orange one, and beneath there, this one is the phloem. Later, I will tell you the exact function of this xylem and phloem. Okay, now here there is a scattered cells. Some scattered cells are found. These are known as mesophyll cells. What it is known as? Mesophyll cells. Then again there is a layer of lower epidermis here, and there are some spaces left between this. Now what these spaces consist of? These spaces consist of stoma. Now, what is this stoma? The stoma are nothing but the stomata. Okay. The stomata helps in the exchange of gases of O2 and CO2. So, these are what? These are stoma. This is lower epidermis. So, this is the TS of the cell. Okay. Now, if we look this palisade cell, okay, if we look this palisade cell, if I elaborate it like this, it looks somewhat this is a vacuole where food is stored, and here it is a nucleus, and there is some structures like this. These structures are nothing but chloroplast. These are what? These are chloroplast. These structure. Okay. Now, this is the chloroplast, and this is the main site where exactly the photosynthesis occurs. Look, the diagram I can show of chloroplast. The chloroplast consists of two membranes. Okay, the outer membrane, the inner membrane, and inside this there is a pile like structures. These piles are just like if we put one coin over the other. Okay, this pile like structure is known as granum. This granum, the stack of granum, is attached to another one, and like this it is again attached to another one. Okay, this attachment or this connecting link between the granum is known as frets. Okay, there is a fluid like structure in the chloroplast that is known as stoma. Now, what happened actually? This is our sun. Suppose this is a sun, and what happened in the sun? The sunlight falls here in the chloroplast, and the chloroplast is the main site where exactly the photosynthesis occur. Okay, this chloroplast trap the sunlight, and the light energy converted into the chemical energy. Okay, friends, in the next video I will teach you more about the stomata and the leaf structure. Thank you.